Hi, class 6. How are you guys doing? We are going to take the lesson from here, from where I left. So, anyways, I want to say hello to all of you. Hi, Divyanshu, and hi, Nitin, hi, Nikhil, Sunflower, Shreya, Ayushi. I hope, Ayushi, how's your leg doing? I was really very concerned. I hope you're doing well, you're recovering fast because by now your plaster must have opened up. So please take care of yourself, be safe and be at home, guys. I'm forgetting all other names, I'm very bad at names, but when I recall your names, I'll wish you all. So take care of yourself and be good and just be with me during these lessons and bear with me. Okay, so let's start. We left it till it enables us to discover why, when, where, and how certain things happen. We left it till here. So we are going to take it from here. Why do we study history? Now, why do we study history? We study history to know about the past. Actually, what, how, and where things happened and when it happened. It's all about history. Why I love history, it's very so nice to know. I get a lot of help from Discovery channels and National Geographic channels. There's a history channel as well, so you can sit for hours and learn and see. It's quite interesting. It's like a, what do you say, murder mystery, like what is happening, what's going to happen, lot of climax. Anyways, so history is like a window excuse me. History is like a window through which we learn about our past and our country's rich heritage. The people and their lifestyles, customs and traditions, festivals, dance forms, musical styles, art, and crafts unfold before our eyes through the study of history. We come to know when we dig into it, we start reading, we try to find out, we are reading our school books, then we come to know what were people like. So what was a human being like? How will we come to know the way they dress, what they ate, what they how they their traditions were, their customs, what type of religion they followed, what type of systems they followed, what were their festivals, how did they dance, and what were their music systems, their restyles, the music styles, the arts and crafts depends upon what type of people they were. Okay, so, and the music system here in Bihar is quite different. Well, I like it. I have seen these DJs and all going on, ding ding ding, they go on. Okay, great. History gives us an opportunity to understand the growth and development of human society over the ages. How the people were growing, how the developments were happening, the changes. In class 5, you had come to know about the changes, isn't it? And I was explaining how people used to change, and part by part, each and every year there was developments, how people were going ahead and making factories and learning more and more, and you were doing very well at it, I know. The role of important leaders, the influence of ideas, the birth of new beliefs, and the role of common people are examined to understand the events of the past. Okay, it tells us why Mahatma Gandhi, Rani of Jhansi, Abraham Lincoln, or Kabir behaved the way they did. Okay, is it clear? So about Mahatma Gandhi, about excuse me, Rani of Jhansi, we only come to know from the history which we read, like what were there, how did they fight. Before that, we didn't know anything, isn't it? I'll come back and explain this also again so that it's much more easier for you to understand. The study of history helps us to understand events and their causes. When we study history in detail, we understand the impact of these events on the present and the future. So in a way, history touches all of us in some form or the other. What we wear, the language we speak, the place we live in, and even the food we eat are in some way connected to our past and thus our history. Okay, I'm going to keep it till there. I'll come back in the next video because we have to have small videos as the net is very slow. Excuse me, I'm having a bad throat. So I'll come and start reading it again. This is quite a long chapter, so the first one, so we'll go with it ahead slowly. Don't worry. I'll do the explanation as well. See you in the next one. Bye bye.